A low-country cottage house plan strikes a compromise between timeless elegance and functional design. The exterior is both aesthetically pleasing and functional, with wide, inviting porches that provide shade and promote outdoor living. Elevated foundations are necessary to prevent flooding, while pitched roofs and extended overhangs protect the dwelling from rain and sunlight. These qualities make the house visually beautiful and appropriate for its surroundings. Inside, the living areas prioritize openness and comfort. The living room is frequently used as the principal gathering place, thanks to its high ceilings and huge windows that allow for plenty of natural light and ventilation. The design creates a relaxing, friendly environment for daily life and social gatherings. The kitchen and dining facilities are functional yet elegant, with an open concept to improve flow between places. A kitchen island increases functionality, while clean lines and intelligent layouts assure ease of use. Natural light and cross ventilation are vital for keeping these spaces bright and comfortable. Outdoor spaces are essential to the low country cottage style. Large porches, screened-in patios, and garden areas create a seamless connection between interior and outside. These spaces provide for relaxation, amusement, and enjoyment of the surrounding scenery. The bedrooms provide a sense of serenity by blending simplicity and beauty. Natural materials and gentle, muted hues create a relaxing atmosphere, while windows offer views of the surrounding area. These rooms are intended to promote relaxation and restful sleep. The bathrooms combine practicalities with a touch of luxury. Classic materials such as wood and stone are frequently used to create a timeless look. Walk-in showers and other thoughtful touches provide convenience without sacrificing flair.